Samantala, nais naman po ni Pangulong Aquino na maging bahagi ng anibersaryo ng EDSA People Power Revolution ang mga apektado ng mga nagdaang kalamidad sa bansa. Kaya naman po sa idaraos sa ilang bahagi ng Visayas at Mindanao ang paggunita sa makasaysayang EDSA Revolution at kasabay po nito ng nakatakdang paglilibot naman ng Pangulo sa mga apektadong lugar para makita na rin ang progreso sa reconstruction and rehabilitation. Muli narito ang report ng aming kasamang si Rocky Ignacio.
Gagawin sa bahagi ang mga apektado ng mga nakalipas na kalamidad sa pagdaraos ng ika-28 anibersaryo ng kauna-unahang EDSA People Power Revolution. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda, nais si Pangulo Aquino na maging bahagi sila ng isang sa pinakamahalagang pagdiriwang sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas sa pamagitan ng pagbisita sa progreso na ipinatutupad ng malawakang rehabilitasyon. Ilang kasi sa bibisitahin ng Pangulo sa pagdiriwang ng EDSA sa susunod na linggo ang Oriental para sa rehabilitasyon sa Bagyong Pablo, Eastern Samar dahil kay Yolanda at Lindol sa Bohol.
He wants to be one with the people, especially those who were affected by the natural calamities. Yung pagsasamahan, solidarity with the people, and most especially in this time, the EDSA celebration, it shows solidarity with those people who were affected, not only by Typhoon Yolanda, but also by the calamity that brought about by Typhoon Katiil. So this is a good opportunity for the President. He wants to spend time with the people.
Sa unang pagkakataon, idaraos sa Cebu ang isa sa pinakamahalagang bahagi ng EDSA celebration, ang salubungan. Naging makasaysayan kasi ang Mount Carmel sa Cebu kung saan nanatili pansamantala si dating Pangulong Corazon Aquino.
EDSA celebrations has always been symbolic. You remember the solidarity of the Filipino people that February in 1986, and I was also there in 86. So I fully agree that I fully support the decision of the President to spend his EDSA celebration in the midst of the people afflicted, to show that he is one. We've always been one with the people, those who suffered during the two calamities.
Paglilibot ang Pangulo sa mga apektadong lugar sa harap na rin ng batikos sa umano'y mabagal na tulong ng gobyerno sa mga apektadong lugar. Pero gate ng palasyo, prioridad ng Aquino administration na ibalik sa normal na pamumuhay ang pamilya at lugar na hinagupit ng kalamidad at sakuna.
We will not be deterred by those political statements. We have to go. Our responsibility is to bring them back on their feet. There will always be criticisms, but our determination will never diminish, will not waver, because that's our responsibility. The government's responsibility is to restore them, to bring them back, to build back better. Our resiliency comes not only from the people, but from the government itself. Our commitment has always been there. We've tackled Typhoon Yolanda day in, day out. The President has already mentioned that Yolanda is a priority for us. This is not going to happen overnight. This is going to take years of reconstruction and rehabilitation.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.